everyone and welcome back to the Very Green Lockdown, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to do the laundry in an eco-friendly way. Doing the laundry can be one of the tasks around the house that is the most wasting in terms of energy and water and general resources. So we are going to talk about how you can reduce that. First thing to know about doing the laundry is you don't have to be doing it every day. I know some people that do the laundry constantly. There's nothing wrong with wearing your clothes multiple times. One of the best things you can do is wear your clothes more than once over the week. You'll see that in my videos I wear the same tops over and over again because I don't like doing the laundry, and it saves my energy and the home's energy to do less laundry. When you do have to do laundry, it's important to try as much as possible to do a full load to make sure you're making the most of the energy from the washing machine. Another thing to try to do is, if you have a newer washing machine, then try to use the eco settings on it, which will use the least energy. If you don't have a new washing machine, like me, I got my washing machine second hand and it doesn't have an eco setting, then what you need to do is set it to a colder wash and put it on a lower spin. Did you know that 90% of the energy that the washing machine uses comes from heat? And generally our clothes aren't properly soiled when we wash them, so there's no need to have it on such a high heat for every wash. Another thing you can do is pick a laundry detergent which is less harmful to the environment. Now before I went on my eco journey, started off with the little plastic capsules, and when I started this journey it was like, they are definitely bad for the environment. Then I went to liquid detergent, but they're still in big plastic bottles. If you do go to a refill shop, then you can refill with more environmentally friendly liquid detergent from the same bottles. Then I went to this one, which I thought, oh, this is a bit better because it's a cardboard box, so at least we're there on the packaging. But it's still not the greatest detergent because it is full of chemicals, and we don't want the chemicals running into our water supply. Finally, I've decided to try something new. So today, for the very first time, I'm going to be trying out my new bag of soap berries or soap nuts, and we're going to see how they go. These are natural berries that come from a tree, and they have a natural detergent inside them, so that when they get wet and a bit warm, then their natural detergent will seep out and into the laundry and clean the laundry for me. They're also apparently really good because you need about 5 for a wash, and you can reuse the same nuts about 4 times, and then when you're done with them you can put them in the compost bin. There's no problem with packaging, it comes in a nice paper bag, and it has a nice end of life cycle, and they will last me for ages because this is about 7 here, so I'm not even going to use as many of this, and I have a kilo in there, so it's going to last me a long time. The only downside I'd say is I think that they are shipped fairly far, which isn't great, but at least I'm only buying it once in a very long while, so you haven't got to worry about that carbon footprint as much because you're not repeating it as often. So let's give them a go. So I'm going to put my berries inside this little bag that comes with it. It's just a little cotton bag, you could make your own. Seal it and throw it in the jam of the machine with the clothes. I've also got my pair of jeans here from when I planted my tree, and you might be able to see they've got a little bit of mud on them on the knees when I was bending down, so we'll see how they turn out as well. So the laundry's all done now and seem to have had a result. My jeans that had a mark on before, there's no mark on them now, and the berries or nuts are still fine, so they'll be used again, the same ones. I'll just keep this bag in the washing machine drum. The next thing to do is to hang my laundry. It's much more environmentally friendly to hang your laundry over using a tumble dryer. In fact, by swapping to hanging your laundry instead of using a tumble dryer, you could save over £100 every year in energy costs. So there we go guys, the laundry's all done. I hope you've enjoyed the video and we'll be able to use some of these tips to make your laundry doing a bit more environmentally friendly. Don't forget that I have a competition on at the moment where if you leave a comment below about how you're changing your ways to be more environmentally friendly this lockdown, you can be in with winning a special prize at the end of the 30 days. Don't forget to hit subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!